I will do the second part of the lesson instead of revision now. Okay, so please turn to page number 452. Once again, let me ask you. There are two things what you have to learn. One is the area of the circle and one is the circumference of the circle. Area of circle equals pi r square. Pi and r square. Same thing when I write a circumference of circle. There are two things, girls. Circumference of circle. One, what you know is pi d. One, what you know, it is pi d. And even if I want to write in terms of radius, I can write circumference c equals 2 pi r. Instead of d, I write 2d, 2r, because you know that 2 times of radius gives you diameter. So either circumference I can write 2 pi r or I can write pi d. Area of circle, what you have to know now is pi r square. This is very important thing. Area of circle pi r square. Now question number 4. What is the area of circle with a radius of 8 inches? Now let me draw a circle. Let me draw a circle here. Tell me, what did they say you? How much is the radius? How much is the radius in question number 4? These extra classes, if I'm taking for you girls. Please, please, please open up your mouth and say me. I'm asking question 4, what is displayed? How much is the radius? How much is the radius for question number 4 given here?
8.
8 inches. Okay. And what is the formula for area of circle, Zishan? Area is A equals? What is area of circle?
5.
I. Very good. This is area, not the circumference. So what should you say? Pi what? Check and tell me. I have a lot of time. Pi what? Area of circle is what? Pi what?
Pi r square.
Pi r square. Good. And then r square. So I just write A. Instead of pi, I can write 3.14. So A equal 3.14 times, how much is R? Yes, Zishan, how much is R? How much is R given? Read the question, question 4.
8.
8. So yes, so what will I do? 3.14 multiply by 8 times 8. Why did I multiply 2 times? Why did I multiply 2 times here?
To find
Yes, because it is giving R square. R square means R time R. That is 8 times 8. So I'm just, who's gonna calculate this? I'm sure you have a calculator. Please calculate and tell me. 3.14 times 8 times 8. Is it the same? What is the answer?
it's 200.96.
200.96. Don't forget, we have to write inch square or square inches. SQ is square dot IN dot square inches. 200.96 square inches. This is your answer. Did you all finish writing?
Yes.
Okay. Next question, Judy. Tell me the formula of area of the circle. What is the formula of area?
Pi r cube.
1 minute, dear. 1 minute. I don't know what happened here. Yes, area of circle. A equals
Pi r cube.
A equals pi r square. Now, read the question. Question 5. Read it out.
What is the radius of the circle with an area of 28.26 square feet?
Okay, so they gave you area. They gave you area, but 1 second. Give me a moment. They gave you area, but they did not give you radius. They gave you area here. So instead of A, you will write the area, that is 28.26. I do 28.26. Pi will be same, that is 3.14. R square, I don't know. I'll just write down R square. I don't know R square. Now, please can you divide? If I want to know R, I need to divide. So you have to divide 28.26. Give me a moment, girls. You have to divide 28.26 to 3.14. Hello? Yes, girls. So you will divide 28.26 divided by 3.14. You remember the algebra, right? When R is alone, I need to take 3.14 to the denominator. Multiplication becomes division. And this is not R. Remember, this is R square, girls. Be very careful. This is not R. This is R square. 28.26 over 3.14. So let us divide this. Divide and tell me how much it is.
9.
28.26 over 3.14. That is 9. 9. So if R square is 9, if R time R, if R square, that is R square is 9, what is R? Of course, it will be 3 times 3. That is 3 is R. So that's why R equals 3 feet. Your answer is 3 feet. R equals 3 feet. Understood?
Yes.
Any questions still here? These are the tough ones, and I wonder how you all don't have questions. We used to ask so many questions to our teachers. Oh my God. But maybe you all are very smart that you understand everything. Anyways, question number 6. What is the area of a circle with circumference? I told you, they gave you the circumference. C equals 2 pi r. There is one more formula. Or you can even take 2 pi d, but I will take 2 pi r because I want to find radius first. 2 pi r. Okay. They gave you the circumference here in the question. They gave you circumference is 25.12. I write 25.12. I copy that. I copy 2. I copy pi. And I copy r. You have to know that I need to divide, to know r, I need to divide 212 divided by 2 pi. That is 2 times 3.14. This 2 pi, I took it down. Why I took it down? To make r alone. When r wants to be alone, 2 pi goes down. It becomes division. Multiplication becomes division. And now I have 25.12. I want to take it 25.12 over 2 times 3.14. This is 3.14, girls, not 15. 14. This is 14. So if I do 2 times 3.14, I get as 6.28. So 25.12 over 6.28. Where did this come from? 6.28 when I multiply 2 times 3.14. And where there's this 2.3, this is 2 pi which came down. 2 pi which came down. This is nothing but equals to 25.15 divided by 6.28. So my answer is 4.004. 4 point, but this is the R. What I got is R, 4.004. This is R. So approximately R is 4. R equals 4. Now let us come to area. Area equals pi r square. That is 3.14 times 4 times 4. R square, that is 3.14 times 4 times 4. So I got it as 50 point, almost like 24 square meter. And this is what the answer is. Question 6. This is all question 6, girls. This is all question 6. Question 6, first they gave you circumference. From circumference formula, I took out r by dividing circumference to 2 pi. I got r. Now I did a equals 3.14, that is pi r square. R I got 4, so 4 times 4. This is 50.24. That's it, girls. Now, girls, this is the question what you will solve. I'll give you a hint. Now you will do it. You have diameter given 12 inches. If diameter is 12, what is the radius? Half of the diameter is the radius. Find the area. Come on, do by yourself. Find the area. Area is pi r square. How much is the radius? When diameter is 12, radius is half of diameter. Find out the area. I'll give you 5 minutes. Solve and tell me, girls. Question 7. Do you know how to do it? Grade 7 girls, do you know how to do question 7?
No.
What is the area? What is the area of the circle? What is area of circle?
Pi r square.
Pi r square. You know that radius, when I'm talking about radius, the radius is half of this pizza, right? The radius is from here. So how much is the radius? If all of this is 12, how much is the radius? How much is half of this? Yes, Zishan? How much is R in this picture?
12.
12 is the whole thing. See, 12 is the whole thing. 12 is
6.
here to here. Yes, 6. This is the diameter, radius. So now substitute I means 3.14. How much did you get R?
6.
6. One more 6 because they are square. Now write the answer. Search and write the answer. Come on.
It's